Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Kwikshop is a latest all-in-one multi-vendor e-commerce application like Dunzo and Zepto. For live demo, install application and open it. When you open application, you will see splash screen and multi-language option. After that you will see sign up and sign in option. For sign up you can enter first name, last name, Gmail ID, mobile number and password and click to sign up button. For sign in you can direct enter register mobile number or password and click to sign in button. After sign in you will see location option. When you click use current location button, application auto detect your location and showing available store and items in your location. After that you will see home section. In home section you will see slider banner which is you can change by admin panel side. Also you will see multiple modules like grocery, food, pharmacy etc. section. When you click to pharmacy module you will see pharmacy section. In this section you will see slider banner, popular category, search bar option, popular store nearby your location, and also popular items. Now click to your favorite store. Now you will see store background images, store logo. Also you can search favorite items. And also you can add store in wish list section and see store location in map. When you click any item you will see product section. In product section you will see product images, choose size, increase and decrease quantity and click to add to cart button. Now in cart section click to process to checkout button. In checkout section you will see delivery option, home delivery or takeaway delivery. You can select any one option. When you select home delivery you need to add order delivery address. In address section you can add your current location, mobile number, name etc. details and click to save location button to save address. Also you can use coupon in coupon option and add any delivery tips for delivery person. Now select payment option like cash on delivery or wallet option or online payment option. Also you can add additional note for store and delivery person. Also customer upload prescription. Now see total amount and click to confirm button to place order. After placed order in vendor application and vendor panel, order will receive with alert notification. Also customer see order details in order section and also see live location in map. Now vendor see order details and click to confirm button to confirm order. After that in customer and delivery boy get order new notification in customer and delivery boy application. Now delivery boy check order details and accept order. After that customer app get order new notification like delivery boy assigned. When vendor swipe to process button, customer and delivery boy get new notification in customer and delivery boy application like order in process. When item is ready to delivery, vendor open vendor application or panel and swipe to ready for handover button. Now customer and delivery boy get new notification in customer and delivery boy application. When delivery boy reach the store and pick up the order, they change the status pick up order. Now customer will get new notification like order is ready for delivery. Now customer also track delivery boy live location in customer application. When delivery boy reach the customer address and ready for deliver order, they swipe in delivery boy application deliver order. Now delivery boy enter order deliver OTP which is showing in customer application order details section. After that order deliver successfully. Now customer also give rating to delivery man and items in customer application. Thank you for watching video. For more details contact us by WhatsApp.